Hey guys, we are at Power Jack Repair. We do specialize in Power Jack replacements. Those guys right here. And on this laptop, the Power Jack is faulty. And because the people have to wiggle jiggle the plug to make the system work, this is a local client. He brought it in, and we charge $100 to fix the jack, or $60 if you send just the motherboard. This jack is not on a motherboard, so this is only valid for basically $100. Send it in. That includes the labor, the parts, and return shipping back to you. So let me show you how to take it apart, how to fix it yourself at home. This is a pain in the butt system to work on. It's gonna take a long time. Some nuances take a long time. There are gonna be people coming in and out, so you might wanna fast forward some moments. So basically unscrew all the screws on the bottom. Alright, so this screw and that screw are the biggest screw around here, and therefore the monitor so they go in a separate bin. Alright, so here let's switch out this guy. Let's unscrew. Usually on these systems the black wire goes bad. Okay, so here like that. Okay. The black wire on the jack falls off in the back, and that's basically the problem on that particular system. Okay. Okay. So take this apart. The reason I told you it's pain in the butt because, well, it's not so much pain. Well, let's see. Maybe it won't be as bad. Maybe it will be because the wire is running underneath there. Let's see. Okay. So remove the bracket. There's the jack right here, and as you can see, the jack itself is cracked. The jack is cracked right here and here, two places where the jack is cracked. Let's move it upwards. So this is basically, it's in my hands, it's falling apart in my hands. I'm not trying to break it, I'm just showing you something like that, you see. Alright, so right there. So in this case, the basically the jack fell apart, and that little spring for the minus kind of went towards the inside. So okay. Alright, so let's power up the soldering iron. And like that, like that, like that, and okay. So it wasn't that bad. I was thinking it's going to be much worse. So here you want to spread this guy apart. Now, one little thing to keep in mind is to see which way is up when I take it apart. So this is bottom right there, and all the legs should be pointing upwards. All the wiring should be pointing upwards. So let's mark B as a bottom and T as top. So basically that's the bottom right there, right here. Right here is the bottom, and that's the top. Top and bottom. So what we want to do is we want to desolder the rear cables. Okay, like that, and like that. Well, the whole thing gonna be in the way, but anyways, yeah. Okay, so let me get something. So we got a new jack right here. You have to first fit and see what's gonna cause any issues, if it's gonna cause any issues. Alright, so nothing gonna cause any issues here, except all of this stuff has to be folded kind of towards the top. Like that, and like that. Alrighty, so that's basically how you solder the cables in the back. So it has to look upwards, because when you put it in, you will see that there the cables have to go up and around, and if you start to move it, this top end might be touching this piece right here, which you need to insulate, and you just put basically some tape in there. Okay, some tape like that. Okay, and here you need to insulate with the liquid tape, which I'm gonna do right now. And liquid tape takes some time to get cured, so just fast forward about 4 to 5 minutes, right? I need to do it in the chamber. So hold on. Basically, don't hold on. Just fast forward the All right, so the liquid tape looks something like that. It smells really bad, so it has to be sitting in the chamber for a few minutes. For right now, check out the pcg-repair.net website. So it goes here. Alright, should still take a few more seconds, a few more minutes. It's just that the liquid tape smells really bad. And it has to harden a little bit. Alright, again, I'm not sure if the model was shown. some reason doesn't want to pick up the red color. 7192l and w350f. Okay. Well, let's smell this stink. Hold on. Get the gloves on. Because the liquid tape is really hard to take off your hands, basically. Okay. So, here. Like that, plug this in, and voila! We got a brand new jack. It stinks so bad. Alright, okay. And this cable goes like that somehow, right? Yeah, okay. Now let's put okay. Okay. Wonderful. Looks good. Let's double check the voltage here and see if everything is not shorting. Okay, nothing is shorting. Everything is good. So I want to make sure that this cable gonna sit properly. Okay. Yeah. This looks like that. Okay. 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 Yeah, alright. So that's that. We can remove the gloves. Connect the video cables, video screws, not the video, for the hinges basically. Okay. Okay. Make sure this guy is aligned properly. And how many I got? Three. That's one. 2, 3. Okay. And we got 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Alright, so the moment of truth. Let's see, no batteries inside, so let's connect the power supply. Okay, let's connect the power supply. And 3, 2, 1. Yeah, right there is the image. Hold on. There was an image, yeah, so right there is the Windows. Again, the battery is out. Battery is right here, so everything works fine. Leave a like if you like the video, if it was of any help to you, and send it to us if you can fix it yourself. Alright, thanks so much, have a good day, bye.